Welcome to my unique way of learning Persian language, a brand new method of teaching Persian through reading comprehensions and stories which boosts your grammar, listening, and reading skills at the same time. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to the second section of the story of Peter. If you have not watched the first section, please check the link here and watch it. بخش دوم, which means the second section. Here I have mentioned two, but دوم means second. Okay? سفره‌خانه کجاست? سفره‌خانه means restaurant, but these days سفره‌خانه is specifically used for the restaurants which are serving Persian and traditional Iranian foods, and restaurant is the place where they get other foods like foreign foods or fast foods and such things. کجاست means where is it? It is the shortened form of کجا است. So کجا means where, است means is. So where is it? کجاست. سفره‌خانه کجاست. Where is the restaurant? پس از موزه پیتر گرسنه است. After the museum, پس از after the museum, Peter است is hungry, گرسنه. او باید چیزی بخورد. Peter is hungry. Okay, he should eat something. او باید, he should. چیزی بخورد, eat something, بخورد. باید بخورد, he should eat something, چیزی. تا اینکه until یک نگهبان می‌بیند. He sees a guard. یک نگهبان, a guard. می‌بیند. He sees a guard. پیتر, درود, من گرسنه هستم. Hello, I am hungry. من I هستم. من هستم. پیتر است. من هستم. hungry, گرسنه. می شود به من بگویید. می شود به من بگویید means may you tell me. می شود may به من بگویید. بگویید means you tell to me. به من. می شود به من بگویید نزدیکترین سفره‌خانه به این خیابان کجاست؟ نزدیکترین means the nearest. نزدیکتر nearer نزدیکترین nearest. نزدیکترین سفره‌خانه the nearest restaurant به این خیابان to this street کجاست where is. So می شود به من بگویید may you tell me کجاست where is نزدیکترین سفره‌خانه the nearest restaurant به این خیابان to this street. نگهبان, درود آقا. guard, hello sir. آقا, sir. یک سفره‌خانه خوب نزدیک چهارراه هست. A good restaurant هست is نزدیک چهارراه near the intersection. There's a good restaurant near the intersection. In English we add there is we say, but in Persian we say we bring hast with یک سفره‌خانه. A restaurant is near intersection. A good restaurant is near intersection. پیتر, نشانی آن را به من می دهید؟ Peter says, نشانی آن را objective. را, the sign of object. Okay? This is object. نشانی آن را means its address. به من, to me, می دهید. Will you give me its address? نگهبان, آری. guard, yes. به سمت راست بروید. go to the right. به سمت راست. towards right. بروید. go. You go. تا به یک کوچه کوچک برسید. until برسید. you reach به یک کوچه کوچک. to a small alley. سفره خانه the restaurant در همان کوچه است. is the restaurant is in همان the same or same alley کوچه. پیتر آیا سفره خانه پلاک ویژه ای دارد؟ Peter says or asks, does آیا is a question a word. It is equal to when we bring does and do at the beginning of the sentence, which makes a sentence like a question. Okay? So here, آیا is a questioning word. Does سفره خانه the restaurant دارد has پلاک ویژه ای a specific plaque a specific number. نگهبان نه ولی آن روبروی یک ایستگاه اتوبوس است. No but ولی on that okay آن روبروی یک ایستگاه اتوبوس است. on است that is روبروی in front of or opposite یک ایستگاه اتوبوس bus station. ساختمان آن سفره‌خانه کمی کهنه است. The building of that restaurant is کمی a little old کهنه. The building of that restaurant is a little old. This story has 3 sections, and because it would be a long video, I divided it into 3 videos. So if you want to go with the rest of the story, watch the next videos. And if you want the PDF of this story, please check the link in the caption. Thank you everyone to accompany me. As you see, I have spent lots of time, energy and love to make this video to provide you the best way possible to learn Persian. So I would appreciate if you help me growing more by commenting #LearnPersian below this video. See you soon.